Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to teach you a coconut tree. So first of all, here I am just drawing a horizontal line. Middle of this, take a point. From here, right side 1 centimeter, left side 1 centimeter. Okay, now from this line, approx 10 centimeter up, I am taking a point. It's a 10 centimeter. Okay, from here just 0.5 and take one more point. Correct. Now we'll connect this point, this and this. How? Just little bit slightly straight, and then I'm making it curve and touching here. Same manner for this right side also. Touching here. Okay, now the extra line, if anything there, erase it and create it properly. Okay, now from here slightly up, we are just going to make the leaf down, this side curve down, down. Okay, now this gap part we'll do later. The coconut, first we'll complete the leaf shade. For this leaf, midrib we'll just draw one more line, which is this, and connect with the point. Same manner we'll continue the rest. Now after completion of this midrib, take the pencil and downwards here we'll do the hatching strokes. So we'll use the side of the lid, not the tip. Down, 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 down. Like this manner, we'll complete the leaves up to the downs. Now, this side, this. Go down, go down. So it will be overlapped. And now, you want here also you can create one. So in this case, the leaves will be top of this. Okay, this is done. Now we'll do the coconut over here. So for that, just V and this V, and just shape is this one. Okay, 3. Now shade it The upside circular motion will create the darker value. Now inside of this we need to erase the section slightly, which is the highlight. Otherwise you just clean it first. After that we can give the shade according to the light sense. Means if my light is coming through this side, this is the light source. Okay, so light is coming through this side means this portion will be highlighted, and here it is the dark value. So highlight portion you can erase bit of. Okay, the coconut V kind of, you can make it V kind of. Okay, this is the down. Now inner this line, please erase. Okay, now the tree trunk shading. Left side here we'll just do down curve up to this much, no need to touch this line, up to here. Now bit up this side, right to left, down curve, bit up left side. Now right side, left side, right side, left side, same curve, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay, done. Now come to the shading part. Here this is the line. We are just going to create a value stroke, dark, medium, light. How? Hold the pencil, use the lead side lead, and then dark, medium, with the circular stroke, light, dark, medium, light. Same right side, dark, and here you just can notice this is big, small, the height of the stroke. Here is broad, bit. Now minimize the height, and then it is more minimized, means broad to narrow you have to come. Now dark, medium, light. Because of the light, here is the left side the light is coming, so we'll add the darker value and the shadow of the leaf here. Trace the line and we'll create the value dark, medium, light over here. Fine. Light is coming through this side. Here it will be the darker value on this section. Again the blending. Now the land section. Here definitely the shadow will be this side, means this side. Here it is dark to light. We'll just go with the hatching, otherwise you can do that. and this side will just make it slightly land. It's exactly down, it's a cast shadow, so it will be a bit more darker. Done. Now take the blender. Now for the leaf here in the middle, we'll just blend it. The mid-rib portion. It's done. Okay, it's a short video for the beginners, whoever want to learn the coconut tree how to draw. And the side portion, please erase that if that is the extra lines or something. Neatness is very important after finishing. Yes, shading and all. In this section we add a bit of highlight. And just blend with that. Done. Here it will be darker value bit more, because after blending the color is smudged, so at last you have to give bit of value. One more time you have to repeat the pencil stroke. Finished. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this small tutorial video, please give a thumbs up, and for more, because I'm teaching, so for the student also I'm preparing this video, so I'm just sharing with you. If you like, please give a like to this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.